Suddenly, an unidentified ship appeared on the calm water, slowly heading toward the big turtle's home. After a closer look, it turned out this wasn't just any ordinary ship. It was actually the Super Exia Ark, built by the ruthless Black Crab. Seeing this, the big turtle immediately sounded the battle alarm and quickly dispatched the Pioneer 1 combat boat to intercept. But unexpectedly, in less than 3 seconds, Pioneer 1 was already out of commission. Oh no, now the big turtle was on the defensive. In order to stop the Black Crab from entering the depths of the canal, he had no choice but to send out the Challenger 1 missile boat to destroy the enemy. But once again, he didn't expect that the Crab had mastered basic signal jamming, causing all the missiles fired by the Challenger to veer off course in an instant. The boat was even sunk by enemy fire before it could get close. This was just too much. No one could stand to see the big turtle lose like this. With a single command, he immediately brought out his secret weapon, Blizzard 1, which he had kept hidden for years. This armored vehicle was the pride of the Big Turtle City, rarely deployed unless absolutely necessary. Its appearance meant the enemy was at the gates every time things reached a critical moment. Opportunities in battle are always fleeting. If you want to defend the canal, you gotta count on the Big Turtle and his Blizzard to take action. That arrogant Black Crab never imagined his opponent would pull out a secret move. Caught completely off guard by this otherworldly attack and seriously wounded, he no longer dared to face the big turtle head on and could only slink away from the canal in defeat. At this moment, I just want to say, we won. Well, would you look at that? Turns out the Black Crab just pulled a classic bait and switch. He only pretended to retreat, then used the grenade launcher at the back of the boat to get a running start and came right back at us. This time, it was over. Even the Blizzard got sunk, because it let its guard down. Is there really no one tough enough to beat him? In the end, our turtle still lost to the Crab. Let me handle these. Just when the big turtle was overwhelmed with grief, a so-called Little Prince of the Reservoir, a legendary driver, showed up. He claimed he knew how to deal with the Black Crab. All he needed was a reinforced battle car with steel crash bars to get the job done. At that moment, the big turtle felt like he was seeing the savior of the city. He immediately called in King Kong #1 and handed it over to the Little Prince. Now it was time to watch him work his magic. After getting ready, when starting the car, you have to stomp hard on the gas right at the clutch's biting point. That's the only way to get a stronger impact. Hey, what's your real name? I mean, your real, actual name. No need to register. My last name is Woe, and I'm here to help.